Hi, welcome to this tutorial for Stride Events. Today I'm going to show you how to set up bundles for season passes. So you'll start by logging into your event, and then you'll find your event. We're going to use our Old Town Renaissance Fair fake event we made here as a demo. And then from the sidebar menu, you're going to go to Growth Tools and then Promo Codes. And then in this top corner here, you're going to select Bundles. You've got a couple of options here. You can click the advanced settings, bundle uses, and create bundle. We're going to start with the advanced settings. If you have a different name for your bundle, like maybe you're selling box seats, for example, you can change the name here, or maybe these are how you're going to sell your season passes, and you can change that to say season pass or season passes here. And then some venues have seats that can be sold as a bundle or as seats. So if you want, when someone selects a seat, to ask if they want to do it by a bundle instead, you can turn that on here. Or if you want to hide the bundles button, if you're asking it on the seats anyway, you can hide the bundles button. We'll just leave both of those off. In this case, that doesn't really apply to our Renaissance Fair. You can change the color for the bundle seats, and then you can change the color of the bundle button here. You can also adjust the size of the bundle button. These are the buttons and colors that appear on your public-facing ticketing page. You can also choose where the bundle button is, if it's above or below the events you have listed. And then if you're encountering challenges with scalpers, buying all of your bundles, and then reselling those tickets, you can set a limit on the number of bundles someone can purchase in an order. And you can do that here. All right, let's go ahead and save that. And that's great. We'll close that. And on bundle uses, you'll see bundle stats. So if you have various bundles, you'll see that those listed here alongside their uses. Okay. Now let's create a bundle. So maybe we're going to call these the family pass. You can input a description here, and you don't have to. And then you'll select the open date, so when those sales open, and then you can select what kind of close you want, if it's relative to the event time start dates, or if it's a scheduled date. And then we have close minutes before. So if you want the sales to end 60 minutes, 2 hours, so 120 minutes before, you can do that. If you want it to end 30 minutes after, then you're going to put -30. And that will be 30 minutes after an event starts, when sales for this bundle will close. All right. And then if you only want to have one seat per included event time group, you can do that. And then you'll put in the prices here, and then which event time groups it applies to, and then the number of uses. So these are and then the number of uses are the number of bundles you can sell. So maybe you only have like 30 bundles, for example. Okay, so that's one scenario. The other option is you can input a price. So you'll input your price here. Maybe it's $50, and the price label is adult, and the number of tickets is 2 per event time, and maybe it also includes child tickets, and maybe that's 2, since this is a family pass. And then you'll select which venue this applies to. And maybe you only want to sell bundles on the right side, for example, of the venue. Or if it's going to be the whole venue, you can select all. And then you'll select the number of event times. But if you want people to be able to buy this bundle across a couple of event times, you'll add those times here. We're just going to do one time here. And then if you are allowing people to select multiple event times, for example, and you want to force the same season section for the whole bundle, you can do that here as well by checking that box. Okay, and then we need to make sure we have some event time selected here. So we're going to click show filter. It's going to be showing us our Hamlet production. And then we can assign this bundle option by event time, day of week, time of day. So maybe this is, we only want these bundles on Sunday, for example. And then if we have a limit of the number of bundles we're willing to sell, we'll put that limit here. So maybe we're willing to sell 30 of these. And then we'll save it. And then when we go back to bundles, we see we have the Family Pass bundle. And if I need to make edits to it, I can click into it and just make those edits there. All right. So that's how bundles work. They're really useful if you're trying to help groups or families come to events, or even if you're offering a season pass. It's a really useful tool to help boost sales and build a loyal audience as well. All right, thanks for tuning in. Have a good one.